Hi, it's Ricardo here from Solargain, and today we're touching base with some of our clients, Ken and Leonie. How you going?
Yeah, great, thanks.
We're just touching base to see how we're going. So Ken, how's it, and Leonie, how's it all been going for you?
We've been home maybe about 3 months now after doing a big 2-year renovation, and we're loving being back home here in Big Park, and we're enjoying getting used to all of our new appliances and obviously making use of the new solar battery system as well.
Absolutely, and so what prompted you guys to go for solar?
We're pretty conscious about the environment, and we realise that there's an amazing power source in the sky that we can tap into using solar panels. We've also got an electric car as well, so by using solar we're able to get bragging rights that we're basically running around on free electrons, which is, who wouldn't want to?
What led you to go down the path of this specific system in the Fronius Gen 24?
We were just looking to get the biggest systems possible because charging the car, induction cooktops, underfloor heating, a family of 5 were quite high energy users, so we wanted to get as much out of it as possible. Fronius Solargain solution was the one that was going to be able to allow us to maximise the amount of solar we have on the roof and then actually make use of it within the home as well.
Yes, we've certainly done that. I don't think there's a square metre to spare on top of the roof. We have the inverters just on the outside wall of the kitchen there, so there's no issue with noise or anything like that from these systems?
No, not at all. The only thing we hear is the aircon unit now and again. No, it's all good. It's how it should be. It just runs and does its thing. We don't really think about it too much.
How have you found charging the car from excess solar?
We're at the point where I think maybe about 1 o'clock, my battery's full and the car can charge pretty fast at sort of 3-phase power for the rest of the day. The Watt Pilot obviously allows us to tap into energy that would just be getting sent back into the grid.
Leonie, how are you finding the change to having solar and utilising all your appliances in the home with it?
Yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, having the 3 children and being environmentally conscious, absolutely love knowing that we've got that on the roof, and it really doesn't stand out as you drive down the street. It just fits in, and I'm totally unaware that it's all going on. So impact-wise, for me, it's a no-brainer.
So how have you found your power bills since having the system?
To be honest, we haven't really noticed them because the app tells us that we're something like 96% self-sufficient.
What led you to choosing Solargain?
We needed a solution that would work for our home, and we had quite specific requirements. And frankly, Solargain with the solution with Fronius and BYD was the only one that could allow us to maximise the size of the system that we wanted.